What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we just made it to Dallas, Texas. It was about a 12-hour drive. We pulled an all-nighter and beat the Cowboys here. So let's give them some time to open up, and then we'll go in there and take care of all the paperwork. Look, he's got a fresh paint job on it.
That thing looks magnificent.
Custom built. I mean, they really restored that one right there.
Ooh, check that out. What is that, a Nova?
That thing is hot right there. Look at that interior. Looks like a cockpit. Maybe one of these days, boys.
Look, dream, and enjoy, but do not touch.
Dang, this is awesome, guys.
Ferrari super fast right here. This thing is sick.
Look at all these bikes they got.
Dang, dude, check this thing out.
I'd really like to learn how to do these custom paint jobs like that, especially like on the old classics.
Oh yeah, for sure. But check out all these nice bikes they got.
Yo, check out this Harley right here. This is a bad boy right here.
Dang, son.
That thing looks like a Honda Shadow or something, but I bet when you crank it up, it's gonna blow your ears out.
Oh, for sure.
I like that green too, it's pretty sick. Kind of like my old style Jeep. Dang, that's a clean Harley right there. Yeah, show them the lot numbers just in case some of you guys are interested. Just search that lot number on Copart and you can pull any of these cars up or bikes.
Man, I'm talking all kinds. Any type you want.
Pearl white. I don't think I've ever seen like a pearl white. But what year is that? 07.
That's 7. There's the lot number for you guys. But man,
I
dude.
don't see how this right here is totaled out. I mean, like, look at this damage. All it needs is this little cluster hood or whatever you call that, and maybe a headlight. But other than that, that thing is in pristine condition.
Dang, dude, check this out. This thing got ripped off.
I kind of want to know how they're going to load our bike up because it's kind of missing the suspension as well. So we just ran across our bike. Here it is. It's a 2017 DRZ 400. Man, that thing looks busted up. It looks like a parts bike, honestly.
Oh yeah, man.
But check that out. But dang, I hope the forks aren't bent. They don't look like they are. Look. Oh yeah, the radiator got some damage on this side.
Ooh, as well as on this side too.
Yeah, so it took a pretty good hit, but I think we could restore this bike. I know some of you guys are gonna say this is a parts bike, but I think we could fix it up. What do you think?
Oh yeah, for sure.
And what did you really get it for? Just to kind of cruise around and commute to work? You work pretty close to the house, and this is just gonna be a nice enduro bike. You could take it off-road and down the street whenever you want. We're gonna get it registered. It does have a title. That's the main thing we're looking for.
Man.
So it is missing the key. I wonder how many miles this thing has. I bet they're low miles because I think I searched it up and I think it had only like 800 when they first registered it. Oh, I thought these were like those unbreakable levers, but they're not. Oh, this one is.
Oh, that one. Oh, nice. So
But yeah, man, we're just gonna go ahead and pick it up and head back. We got about a 12-hour drive.
check out that seat though. That thing is comfortable, I bet.
Yeah, that thing does feel comfortable. Dang, that tank does have a little bit of damage, and it's a metal tank.
Yeah, hopefully that won't be too expensive there.
I mean, you're the Bondo guy. I think you could just slap some Bondo on that, and what do you say? Just order a new decal, and we'll be good to go.
Yep, razors over here. That we
Oh,
can...
this guy just went nuts on it. Powder coated the whole engine, and then put these decals on. You guys have asked me about the jet skis. They're kind of closed off right there, but I know they got 2 sparks So be sure to search this auction. It's the Dallas, Texas location. And we've seen a couple of jet skis. We just can't get the stock number right now, but be sure to check them out. What do you say? Oh, dude, man, we missed it. It's got a Yoshimura exhaust, dude.
Oh man, that thing.
I bet that thing is gonna sound sick.
Oh yeah,
I wonder if
dude.
these are powder coated or are they just factory?
No, I think that's factory paint job. They got some nice Continental tires on it.
But you're probably gonna get some enduro tires, right?
Yep, so I can go on and off road.
Heck
So
yeah,
let's
dude.
go ahead and get this thing loaded up.
That's fine. You can record for your safety, but
Yeah.
for our safety, and also for your safety because we're operating a forklift.
I'm 10 feet. I'm 20 feet away,
60 feet.
or 15 feet.
60 feet is our policy.
60 feet.
Yeah.
All right.
So if you don't mind, sir, please just wait by your vehicle. Yes, all right, load it close to the right side because the wheel kicks to the left. What's that? Load it close to the right because the wheel kicks to the left. Okay. That's it.
Yeah. Damn, they got these wires tight as hell.
Okay. Can I get that phone number?
You got that wheel, boss?
So yeah, somebody grab it for him. He got one hand, boss.
Oh yeah, my bad. All right. Money, we got that tire. Oh no, grab the front one. You good?
What's up, guys? Next day here, we made it back with the bike. We got it unloaded and got some rest, and we're ready to get started. We got a new shop dog. This is Bruno's son right here. Let me know if you have any name suggestions down in the comments. But really, we're just gonna go ahead and take the bike apart and check out all the damage. So let's get started. So we got the front suspension off. We actually unhooked everything when we got it loaded on the truck. I didn't really like how the auction treated it, even though us members do pay like a loading fee and whatnot. So we got all the parts on order. We got the shaft with the bearings right over here. And then we got the triple tree clamps, which is gonna get the front suspension all back together and the bike rolling. We also got 2 bad radiators, which we got on order. And the way we're gonna take care of this exhaust, since this is the Yoshimura exhaust, it's pretty expensive. We're just gonna buy a power bomb and weld it on right over here. I think it's gonna sound really awesome, and it's gonna add like 20 horsepower. Let me know down in the comments. I don't know if that's a fact or not, but we pretty much got the whole fairing kit on order as well. We got a new gas tank. And then one of the main damages is this crack right over here. I'm hoping that Stan the Man can weld this up. If not, we might just need to get this whole new casing right over here. But let's go ahead and get started and start stripping it down. There we go, and we also forgot to mention that we did have to get a new axle shaft for the front. Check out that damage. Dang it, that's bad anyways, right?
Yes, sir. We're gonna need a new headlight bracket and headlight. I kind of want to upgrade to the KTM style. It looks a whole lot cleaner. What do you think?
Yeah, man, KTM's on top of the line, so I say do it. But hopefully these forks ain't bent. Let's go ahead and take this bottom clamp off and just check them out. That'll be freaking awesome.
They're probably jammed in there. You might need to get a little hammer and tap on them. Yeah, dude.
Oh no, look.
Oh yeah, dude. Them things look straight as an arrow.
These things are like brand new.
The seals look good. No oil.
Nope.
So that's a good sign right there.
Jack it up.
What is this thing right here? Do you know?
It probably just indicates when it's like low on radiator fluid or something like that. Bruno's letting us know that the radiator is bad. In fact, other than this damage right here, it's got a crack on it over there on that side. But what we can use is the radiator fan. Those things are still good. We just have to unbend the actual shroud that runs around the fan. But that's not a problem, it's just a little bracket. Let's go ahead and get this off. And I'm thinking we should probably go ahead and take the tank and the seat off so it kind of gives us more access to the radiator hoses. So let's jump on that.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm excited.
Dang, they got a 10 mil on this side and an 8 mil on that side. What's going on, boys? Let's go ahead and check the air filter on this joint. Dang, it's actually pretty clean. Let's get this fuel line real quick.
The petcock.
Is that what they call it?
Yes, sir.
I don't see a reserve on this thing.
Yes, sir. Right up here.
Oh, it's on this side. Okay. How do we? I wonder how you shut this off. I remember on my Vulcan, when you leave it on, I think that's what prime is actually. It shouldn't leak out right now, but we'll see.
Oh.
That's how that system works. Not really sure. If you do know, let me know down in the comments. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy off. So we just got one extra harness right over here, and that's actually this little USB port. We don't have the handlebars. Oh, they're right over here. Check this out. He's got a little USB access port, which is pretty cool right here. You could charge your phone and hook up and whatnot. So that's a pretty cool setup. Let's go ahead and get this tank off. Now let's go ahead and jump on this other side plastic, get this off and the exhaust, and we'll call it a day, boys. What do we got on this?
2 bolts up top and 2 screws on bottom.
Let's get it. Dang, that's pretty cool right there. The way it connects right there is just with these 2 springs. That thing is jammed in there. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it out. Dang, what the heck? Is there like a trick to getting this thing out? Probably gotta spin it a certain way. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made some good progress on the new build. We got all the parts ordered for the DRZ, and we should have this bike complete within 2 weeks. With all this said, thanks guys for all the love and support. If you are new on the channel, hit that like bell and sub button to support your boys. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The link is in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one. With